Welcome back to Taylor Cooks. It's another midweek special again, and we're going to resurrect something from the 70s. No, it's not Mrs. Taylor Cooks. We've got chicken, we've got red wine, and we've got stuff out the garden. So, cue the music. This is so simple. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the chicken on, and for this I've got boneless thigh fillets. It's going to give us loads of taste. Salt, there's some pepper, turn them over, a little bit of dried, oh there we are, a little bit of dried oregano. Got some nice colour on that now, I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's look it up, there we are. And not quite cooked all the way through, not far off. So I'm going to take them out, let them rest for a sec, and then we go with the mushrooms and the onions. You'll know when you're ready because you can smell the onions just starting to catch, and the mushrooms, and oh, flavours, amazing. So I'm going to deglaze it with some wine. Okay, I have our stock mix from before. Have a quick taste for seasoning. Oh my goodness. Okay, back in with the chicken and all the juices. And we'll let that be juiced out and thicken right at the end.